Reputation management in GoHighLevel can help you boosting your business by filtering out positive and negative feedback. You can send feedback request from here by selecting any client, and once they want to give you any feedback, then it will redirect you the client to this page. So if someone select 5-star or 4-star, these feedback will directly impact with your Google business page. And if someone give you negative feedback like 1, 2, 3-star, then it will come to us as a feedback privately, not public, and this is not going to impact with your Google business page. This is how Google reputation management can boost up your business by filtering out uh, positive and negative feedback. Thank you.